PRSO stock analysis and price predictions for Monday, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. As I zoom out here, you will see that I had previous ideas to taking things higher, just no rules got met and this was all over the place. What I'll do is just get rid of this. Just like that. By the way, I'm the only person in the space with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience and all documented. And how things are going to look like for me is that this is a perfect demand zone. And if the price does not show me the rules, then I'm no way, bro, I'm not buying here, even though it's a good demand. But I must see breaks above 91 cents first, and then it really depends where the second range is going to be at. And I'll tell you this, if the rules are not met, then I'm not moving forward. Like, although this is overly optimistic, it's really not realistic, but that's why I'm waiting for rules. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated.